Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and I chose to discuss question two, which was give two examples of nonverbal communication and describe its role in the communication process. Nonverbal communication is an essential element to consider when communicating with someone in a business or otherwise professional environment. Things like facial expressions, gestures, and tone of voice can all make or break the actual verbal message that is being delivered. For this discussion, I've chosen to focus specifically on body movement and posture and eye contact. When having a face to face conversation with someone, the way that you hold yourself can provide information on your confidence, mood, and desire to be in the environment that you're in. Each of these are important to think about in any in person interaction. If you're being interviewed for a job, for example, you want to portray yourself as confident, capable, and open. Even if you plan out your responses to potential questions and come prepared with questions, focusing on body language can be the step that makes you a memorable applicant and gets you the job. It's best to sit up straight and avoid hunching over or to keep your arms or avoiding keeping your arms crossed. This might make you feel more closed off and prevent the interviewer from establishing a sense of trust with you. As explained in Eric Devaney's article, 33 Little Ways to Improve Your Nonverbal Communication Skills, nervous mannerisms such as fidgeting communicate a lack of confidence. Whether you're being interviewed or you're in a professional environment where you have to display a level of authority, avoiding habits like playing with hair or jewelry will make others feel much more compelled to listen and take you seriously. Eye contact is also an essential element of nonverbal communication, for many of the same reasons as body movement and posture. Being able to hold eye contact with someone will make you seem much more confident, and it will allow you to establish more of a connection with the person you are communicating with. The article titled Nonverbal Communication, Reading Body Language and Improving Your Nonverbal Skills explains, eye contact is also important in maintaining the flow of conversation and for gauging the other person's interest and response. A crucial part of any type of communication is feedback, and maintaining eye contact will allow you to see how the other person is responding to you and adjust your communication accordingly. I look forward to discussing this all with you further and seeing your post about the other questions. Thank you.